In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal Quick Security Check in a fast and easy way. First, head over to the official PayPal website. Since PayPal is a widely used online payment service, it's extremely important to make sure you're on the real site to avoid phishing scams. Once you confirm you're on the correct page, click the Login button, usually found in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your email and password to log in. After logging in, PayPal may prompt you to verify your identity through an additional security check. Don't worry, this is completely normal. It's designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. You'll see options to receive a verification code by text message, either through WhatsApp or standard SMS. Choose whichever option you prefer. This extra layer of security ensures that it's really you attempting to access the account. Once you successfully pass the security check, PayPal will redirect you to your account home screen. Here you'll see a summary of your recent activity. To continue fixing or modifying your security settings, look for the Settings icon. It usually appears as a gear-shaped icon. Click it to open the main Settings menu. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Security tab. This area is specifically designed to help you manage and enhance your account's protection features. One key part of maintaining strong security is updating your security questions. These questions help verify your identity during recovery steps, like resetting your password. In the Security tab, find the option labeled Security Questions and click on it. Here you can update or change your questions and answers. Make sure your answers are memorable but difficult for others to guess. And, of course, never share them. Keeping these questions private significantly improves your account's safety. To wrap things up, regularly reviewing and updating your PayPal security settings is essential for protecting your account and all your financial information. By following these steps, you'll be able to handle the quick security check smoothly and keep your account safe and secure. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you so much for watching.